tell you, you're killing it right now. Speaking of death, how are your hands?
I mean, where I think now I'm less worried about losing the function in them and the feeling. So maybe we should do one more. Here we go. This song is called "Come Back Home to Me."
Let's go.
In my dream, I used 3 simple chords and sang out your name. A lush field for song, loving words and melody to hear on the wind. So every time we went apart, you would have something to sing, a tune to draw out of thick air, defining your next reason to breathe. Well, I hope you know I'm out here, love, and I wish you a night of peace. I'll sing this song while you're gone. Oh, come back home to me, yeah. Come back home to me. Now I'm calling out into the night like the owl mourning in the road. Wisdom of true love in his song as he lets his lover know. Harmonized by just 3 chords, the 6, the 4, and the 1. I took his feathered song and I gave it words so we could sing along. Well, I hope you know I'm out here, love, and I wish you a night of peace. I'll sing this song while you're gone. Oh, come back home to me, yeah. Come back home to me. Woo!